Hi everybody, I'm Kevin Potter.
And I'm Annie.
And we are going to make a piece of jewelry using hubs and dies and some sterling silver. So what we have here, we have thousands and thousands of antique hubs and dies to make all sorts of jewelry.
Yeah.
From all periods, from probably the late 1800s to today. And
because there's so many, it becomes too hard to just choose something.
yeah.
It's hard to decide which one to use.
We have 3,000 on our website, and when people come here, usually they'll spend a good 6 to 8 hours staring at it, and then they'll go, I want this one after 8 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to blindfold ourselves, and we're just going to pick one.
Yeah.
And that's... Oh, that, you got luck. That's a good one. I'm not going to peek. It'll be more fun. Okay. Oh,
Here's
no.
your drawer.
Hey, actually, that's not bad. It's another one of Greg Silveri's. This one's cool.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah. We actually, I can't believe
We lucked out.
We lucked out. These are good designs. The next stop on this thing, we need silver. And we don't buy sheet. We make all our own sheet here. So we're going to roll out some sheet. So
Pretty good.
that's 20 gauge. We're going to anneal it. This is just an air acetylene torch. I won't burn you up.
Thank you.
You don't want to overheat your metal. You want a dull orange. There we go.
Perfect. Nice annealed silver now.
Yes. I will. When you're going to press a die, the goal is to get all the metal to flow down inside of it. So if I was to lay this on top, we have all this metal that's kind of preventing it. So I'm actually going to cut this down. And by using a smaller piece, it'll allow the metal to flow down into the die easier. So there's our stuff. So next week, you're going to get to see us turn them into something.
Yep.
So thanks for watching.